Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Gap app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with the app review about Gap app. The Gap app offers a smooth and organized shopping experience for fans of everyday basic and family fashion. It features easy browsing, fast checkout, and access to Gap full catalogs, including baby kits and active wears. Shoppers also benefit from Gap Good rewards, app-only promos, and convenient options like under tracking and in-store pickup. Some user reports slow loading, Zoom glitches, or issues during checkout. Still, if you are a regular Gap shopper looking for deals, rewards, and the mobile convenience, the Gap app is definitely worth it. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about Gap app review and what's your takes on this platform. And that's it.